song right now, so y'all gotta excuse me. But welcome back to my channel. This is an update to my Chebe Powder 8-week challenge. So in today's video, we are going to go into details about my 8-week experience. I'm also going to do a length check, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the Chebe powder one final time to finish off this challenge. So if you are interested in seeing how my hair has grown over the 8 weeks, go ahead and hit the like button and keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right on in. All right, week 8. This has been a very long journey. I am actually getting ready to apply my 8th Chebe treatment. I already have my treatment mixed up. So I always mix the Chebe powder. If you haven't taken a look at my first Chebe powder treatment video, go ahead and check that video out. I will leave a link in the description so you can watch that video. But I mix my Chebe powder with my deep conditioner. I do a avocado deep conditioner. Before we get started, I did want to talk about some other things that I've been doing besides just the Chebe powder to try to strengthen and to strengthen and grow my hair. I also have been doing scalp massage. So I did purchase the scalp massager from Vanity Planet, and I have been using this for about 4 weeks, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick scalp massage before I get started.
I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people saying fake love to me, straight up to my face.
So that scalp massager is amazing. I actually use it every night before I go to bed. So it's not just when I'm doing the treatment. I can say I do feel like the Chebe powder has been helping with me being able to retain length, but I still feel like, honestly, I'm still losing too much hair, but it's gotten better. So literally, I'm just gonna take a spoon and I am going to spoon this on my head just like that. Don't care nothing about it, and then work it on down. That's it. This process, to me, is very, very messy, but what can you do? Like, there's really nothing that I can do about it. I can't get around the mess, unfortunately.
I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up.
Sometimes, like right on the end, I want to really concentrate because my ends are raggedy. They're, you know, color damage, not really heat damage because I don't use heat on my hair pretty much at all. Retention has been a big issue for me, and I don't know if you all have retention issues, but I feel like this treatment is especially for those people. Now, it is not a hair growth treatment. Like, this isn't gonna make your hair grow faster. I definitely just wanna stress that. Like, that is something that I think that I might not have stressed in my first video. Essentially, your hair will grow because you're retaining more length and your hair continuously grows. It kind of is, just not technically, whatever. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and twist the hair. Well, no, actually, I'm not. I lied, I'm not. I'm gonna actually just braid it instead of twisting it.
That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, yeah, they all know me. Young boy living like an old geezer.
I do feel like my hair has grown, but just gonna let y'all know that with me being natural, I wear my hair in its natural curly state a lot, and I actually did a wash and go, and I just did not like my shape of my hair, and I start cutting it. So I cut off my hair in the back, because I typically have a tail. I have a piece of hair in the back of my head that is completely different texture from the rest of my hair. So I just kind of like snipped it off, and that may result in, when I do my before and after, when I started the challenge, that hair was there, and now it isn't. So if the hair looks like it's almost the same length, that's probably why. Or if it doesn't look like it looks shorter, that's the reason why. Because I didn't think about it until after the fact. I'm doing a whole challenge, and you just sit up here and cut off like 4 inches of your hair and then think twice about it. Yeah, but again, it's only the little pieces in the back of my head. Like I said, that hair just is a different texture, and it just wasn't blending in with the rest of my curls. Like, it does not shrink up at all. So I was just like, I'm not dealing with it, and I cut it off. So let me know if you all have multiple textures in your hair. Let me know in the comments, like, how many people that are watching my videos, if I'm not the only one out here that deals with having multiple textures, hair textures.
Something ain't right when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. Look like you're hiding your problems. Really, you never was solving. No, you can't sign me. You will never get to.
So where I am now, I feel like after doing this for 8 weeks, I definitely feel like it does work. I can tell that I had not been losing as much hair as I was losing previously. So that's definitely a plus. Will I continue using this treatment? The fact of the matter is that I probably will. I just won't do it as often. This treatment is very, very, very messy. So therefore, and time consuming. And also, which I hadn't mentioned to you guys before, it takes a very long time to get this out of my hair. Like, me getting this out of my hair takes at least a half an hour, because it's everywhere. I wash my hair like 6 times. I wash it in sections. It's very time consuming. So before you decide to try something like this, I just want you to be mindful that it's going to take up your whole day. So pretty much don't really have anything planned on like going anywhere where you want to look cute, because I'm about to just sit and chill with my hair looking like this. Like, clearly I'm not gonna go anywhere with this on, because now I'm about to sit and leave this sitting on my head for about 4 hours. Probably, yeah, no more than about 4 hours. That's just my personal preference. You can leave it on as long as you like. You want to leave this on, it won't hurt. I've left it overnight. Many of the times that I've applied the treatment, I leave it overnight. But when I want to do my hair the same day, I leave it on for like 4 hours, or however much time that you have available to go ahead and leave it on. So I need to clean all of this off of my hands, and I will be right back. Now that I'm kind of fake cleaned up and I got spots and stuff all over the place, like I said, it's very, very messy, but what can you do when you're trying to strengthen your hair? So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put my hair up, get it off of my shoulders, wrap it in a plastic cap. It sits on top of my head, and actually get all of the excess stuff off the sides of my face and chill for the next 4 hours. So I'm just spilling stuff everywhere. So up next, I will be showing you all how I wash this out of my head, and then we'll be doing a length check to compare where my hair was at the beginning of the 8 weeks and where it is at the end of 8 weeks, and that's all we got. So not too much longer. Don't give up on me yet. If you've made it this far into the video, you might as well subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you've liked what you've seen so far, and let's go ahead and continue on to the next phase.
Say yes to your mama, yes to you dating me. Yes, we could be together, but you gotta wait for me.
Okay, y'all, so let me first start by saying this process takes so much time and energy. but I felt like this is the most efficient way for me to get the Chebe out of my hair, and I did it in 4 sections. I actually start using the bowl about week 4 because I was having so much trouble getting this out of my hair that the bowl actually started helping me because I could see the Chebe running out or rinsing out of my head, and I could basically see like if it was all out because the water would eventually be clear. And then once I saw that the water was clear, I would just wash my hair with some shampoo and then braid it up and go to the next section. Okay, so as you all saw, that process to wash this out of my head is a very, very long and intense process. My neck is hurting, and like overall this entire treatment is just, it's not an easy one to do. So that's the biggest takeaway that I want people to know, that it is time consuming. So let's go ahead and see if my hair grew any. Really, I'm just hoping that my hair remained the same length, especially since I cut my hair. So let's see where it is. And I'm just gonna take really the longest pieces of my head, which is pretty much here, and I think it's about the same length that it was before I started. So that's a good thing. That means that I haven't lost any hair. So, and that's exactly what I wanted to achieve. Overall, I do feel like this treatment does work. It definitely helps with hair retention. And if you're someone that's struggling with breakage, this is something that you definitely need to try. I don't know if 8 weeks is long enough, but that was just what I wanted to test out. So basically I've been doing it for 2 months. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break and maybe try something else. But will I continue to use this treatment? I will definitely keep using Chebe. I'll probably, when I give myself a break, because I'm going on vacation, so take a little break and not really do too much to my head other than just washing it. But once I come back rejuvenated, I plan to do the treatment every other week as opposed to doing it every week because it is very time intense. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one.
I've been down so long, they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people